Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. For those that are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel where I make cooking videos, home videos, and exercise videos. I am now 60 years old. I have been YouTubing now for about going on, you guys, almost 5 years. It was early 2020, and I was in the process of putting together a cooking video this morning, and this message came to me. So you will also find here that I will bring you what I hope to be some inspirational vlogs as well. And the message that came to me was also talking to me myself as well. And that is sometimes we get lost in the process. And what I mean by that is when we set goals for ourselves and they don't seem to work out according to our plans, we get frustrated and we get lost and we want to throw in the towels, and which is exactly where I was about a week or so ago. And I did make a video about that. I got in my car. I shut the door and I poured out my heart. Okay. That is what was on my heart. It was unplanned. It was unscripted. It was organic. It was raw. And I did that in the hopes that I could connect with people that were probably feeling the same way as far as their YouTube journey is concerned and not working out again according to plan, not getting the views and not getting the subscribers. And, you feel like you are putting your hands to all of this work and it's just not working out according to plan. And whether it's YouTube or anything else in life, when you put your hands to work and you do a lot of it and it does not work out, that's the place that you feel yourself coming to. And it's like, what next? And that is exactly what I named that particular video. So fast forward to today, as I said in that particular video, I knew, okay, by talking my way through it. And then afterwards, okay, praying about it and sitting in a quiet place and thinking about it, I knew exactly what it was that I needed to do. And I find myself here. And again, I was making a cooking video, and this message came to me to bring to you guys. And, once again, sometimes we get lost in the process. So what I ended up having to do, I had to go back to my beginning and then ask myself, why did I do this in the first place? Okay. And what was so important to me at the time that I lost in this moment or moments of frustration. And it dawned on me, it's like, Deborah, okay, when you started off, you wanted to enhance and encourage and edify, the lives of people when you started putting out these YouTube videos, which is exactly what the people that you were watching was doing for you. And then I said to myself, okay, well, Deborah, are you doing that? Is the content that you're putting together, okay, is it being put out in such a way that it is enhancing? If it's edifying, okay, if it's uplifting and encouraging people, is that in fact, okay, the type of content that you are putting out? And when I sat back and I looked at my body of work, I said, yes, it is. That is what it is that I am doing. So then I told myself, it's like, well, if that is in fact, okay, the content that you're putting out and you are putting your hands to good works, okay, then stop beating yourself up. The people that you are making these videos for will show up. Trust and believe they are going to show up. They are going to support and they are going to spread the good news about you, your message, and your channel, okay? Just keep doing what it is that you are doing. And I say this for everyone else that is out there, and I've said this before, and I will re-emphasize this point. There is nobody else out there that can do what you do. You are unique. Your experience is unique. And what you bring to this YouTube journey, no one else can fill your shoes. So remember once again, okay, why you decided to record these videos and upload them to YouTube. Stop beating yourself up. If there is in fact areas that you can improve, okay, then improve, okay, but do not let go of your dreams. Do not let go of your goals and your aspirations, which is exactly what I am doing. I am one that will take a look at what I'm doing. I will critique it and I will improve wherever it is that I possibly can. That is part of my personal growth. And part of my personal growth is uplifting and encouraging myself in this process, and also uplifting and encouraging you as well, which is what I said about 4.5 years ago that I was going to do. So you guys, that is my spur of the moment impromptu message for today. And again, those that this message was meant for, I hope that you receive it, you incorporate it into your life, and you press play on your life and you move forward in this thing that you said that you were going to do. And remember, you guys, it's a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And I hope to see you all right here real soon. If you are interested in my healthier version of food videos, my workout videos, my home decor videos, and my inspirational vlogs. And thank you so much for joining me this morning.